How to delete Instagram watch history. This easy solution shows you how to clear your viewing history for reels and videos on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Following that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Now, tap on Your Activity from the menu options. Moving forward, scroll down and look for recent searches or viewing history. Afterwards, tap on videos you've watched or viewing history to access your watch history. In addition to that, you'll see a list of all the reels and videos you've recently viewed on Instagram. Once there, tap on the three dots icon or Clear All at the top right corner. Subsequently, select Clear Watch History or Delete All from the options. Moreover, Instagram will ask you to confirm that you want to delete your viewing history. Afterwards, tap Clear or Delete to confirm the removal. Then, your entire Instagram watch history will be permanently deleted. Within moments, your viewing history will be cleared, and Instagram won't show previously watched videos in this section anymore. Alternatively, you can also delete individual videos from your history by swiping left on them and tapping Delete. Once cleared, Instagram's algorithm may take some time to adjust recommendations based on your new viewing patterns. And that's it. If this watch history deletion guide helped you maintain your Instagram privacy, show your appreciation with a like, subscribe for more Instagram privacy tips, and enable the bell icon for new content. See you in the next one.